Hey guys, are you want to buy best FPV drones for beginners? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best FPV drones for beginners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DJI FPV Combo Drone. The DJI FPV Drone delivers an unmatched immersive flying experience with its ultra-wide 150 FEV and DJI FPV Goggles V2, offering real-time, ultra-smooth visuals. Capture stunning aerial footage in crisp 4K 60 FPS at 120 Mbps, making every flight feel cinematic. It's FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring you stay within regulations. Advanced safety features like obstacle sensing, smart return to home, and low battery alerts keep your flight secure, even at high speeds. The new S mode blends manual freedom with intuitive controls, perfect for both seasoned pilots and beginners seeking dynamic FPV footage. Whether you're racing through the skies or capturing epic landscapes, DJI FPV offers the thrill of flight with professional-grade performance and safety. Now, our second product is Nexaero FPV Drones. This 2K camera drone is a fantastic choice for kids and adults alike, offering a 130 wide-angle lens with a 90 adjustable view for crisp, immersive aerial shots. The upgraded 4.5 LCD remote eliminates the need for a phone, delivering smooth, real-time visuals and intuitive control. With brushless motors, it's more stable, powerful, and wind-resistant, perfect for outdoor flights. Dual batteries provide up to 25 minutes of flight time, while full propeller guards ensure safe, worry-free flying. Its smart features include wonky takeoff, landing altitude, hold gesture, control, and optical flow positioning for stable, beginner-friendly operation. Whether you're capturing memories or exploring from above, this drone makes flying fun, easy, and safe. Our third product is Karuisrc FPV Drone with 2 cameras, the K417. Drone with 108 OP camera offers an excellent flying experience for adults and beginners alike. With a 90 electric adjustable camera and FPV transmission, it captures crisp, multi-angle footage, perfect for cinematic shots. Performs stunning 3D flips with altitude lock and fly safely at night thanks to its bright blue LED light. Gesture control and custom path flight add creativity, while optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering and clear imaging. The brushless motors deliver quiet, powerful performance with 4-level wind resistance, and the drone flies for up to 18 minutes on a single charge. One key takeoff, landing, and a user-friendly interface make it perfect for all skill levels. Whether you're capturing beautiful views or enjoying high-performance stunts, this mini drone is packed with features to elevate your aerial adventures. Now, number 4. Velcase FPV Foldable Drone. The X61 FPV drone is a compact, foldable drone packed with features perfect for beginners and kids. Its 108 OPHD adjustable angle camera captures stunning aerial photos and real-time FPV video via the X61 drone app. With gesture-based photo and video controls, sharing moments is fun and effortless. It includes 2 1000 mAh batteries for up to 22 minutes of flight time and comes with full accessories, including propeller guards and spare blades. One key takeoff, 3D flips, and optical flow positioning make flying smooth and simple. Features like altitude, hold, headless mode, trajectory flight, and emergency stop make it user-friendly and safe. Whether you're flying for fun or capturing memories, this drone delivers a reliable, exciting experience, backed by 24/7 support. It's a fantastic gift for kids and beginners looking to explore the skies with ease. And our last choice is Suangrc FPV Drone with camera. This feature-packed foldable drone is perfect for both kids and adults. It comes with a built-in 2.4-inch LCD screen on the remote for real-time image viewing, plus a 1080 PHD camera to capture clear aerial shots, with an 8GB SD card and card reader included. Storing and sharing your memories is easy. The drone is equipped with brushless motors for efficient, stable flight and a longer lifespan. Weighing under 249 grams, it's FAA registration-free and highly portable, complete with a carry case. Simple one-key takeoff, landing, 3D flips, headless mode, obstacle avoidance, and gesture control make flying easy and fun, perfect for beginners and kids. Enjoy up to 16 minutes of flight with this reliable and user-friendly drone. Whether you're a hobbyist or a first-time flyer, this drone offers a smooth, exciting, and safe flying experience every time. So what do you think about this video, F? You think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier? Kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.